as an excellent, hardworking Vice President with 3 consecutive unmodified opinion from COA, what is your message to your detractors who tries to pull you down to the mud when in fact you're shining like a star?
Sinabi ko na yan. Kuyawa po na ako. Para ito beauty contest with a beauty queen answer, no? Grabe. No, ano lang. As I said, diba, before, when they started, sabi ko, you just try and drag me to hell. Then, we'll see.
Napakinggan ko yung interview ni Manong Chavit sa Bilyonaryo na pag kumandidato ka po daw po kayo sa 2020, full support po daw po sa iyo. Kaya nagka-condition na daw po si Alzheimer na si BBM.
Well, nagpapasalamat ako kay former Governor Chavit Singson. In fact, tumatawag siya sa akin twice bago yan lumabas ang interview. Tumawag siya sa akin. Twice ko din na hindi nakatanggap yung call niya, na miss call lang siya. Tapos nung nag-message naman ako sa kanya na tatawag ako, hindi na siya nakasagot, baka busy din kasi. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa kanyang suporta. At isa siya sa mga tao na kilala ko na maayos kausap at may prinsipyo na tao.
Another question. That's 3 years from now, the presidential election. But right now, what does the VP want to do as the Vice President and once and for all address the criticisms that you've been not doing your job but just going around the world? So, ano po yung plano natin?
Yes, ma'am. Very recently, we did our Pasidungog, no? Doon sa Pasidungog ay binigay na namin yung report namin sa taong bayan kung ano yung isang taon na nangyari sa Office of the Vice President. At binigyan din namin ng recognition yung mga partners namin for the past year sa Office of the Vice President. Since tinanggal na ng House of Representatives or ng Congress yung medical and burial assistance ng Office of the Vice President, ang naiwan na lang sa mga projects namin ay pagbabago yung Million Learners and Trees campaign. This is a campaign for education, targeting 1 million school children by 2028 and targeting 1 million trees by 2028. And then ang next namin is ang Magnegosyo Taday namin. This is targeting women's association and LGBT groups or individuals who want to access financing for their micro or small enterprises. And then ang next is we still have our disaster operations center. Yun sila araw-araw yun nagbibigay nung tulong namin kapag merong sunog, may baha, merong evacuees dahil sa pagsabog ng bulkan or dahil sa bagyo, kung ano man yung problem doon sa area of responsibility nila. And then we also have the Libreng Sakay program. Ito yung mga buses na pinahiram sa Office of the Vice President. So ang ginawa namin ay nilagay namin sila sa mga ruta na kailangan ng augmentation, transportation during high traffic hours. And then ang next namin is yung Pansarap program namin. This is the feeding program namin wherein we target school children, malnourished school children for 120 days. We do our feeding program. In fact, meron kaming funny story dito sa Pansarap namin na project, no? Dahil after 120 days, nagkaroon kami ng beneficiary na naging obese ang kanyang weight. So nagka-problema na naman kami kasi sabi nung aming project manager, hindi pwedeng obese ang isang bata. So kailangan doon sila pumasok sa weight para sa edad nila. So, yun po yung mga projects ongoing for the Office of the Vice President. And dagdag doon sa mga ginagawa ng opisina namin, doon sa loob ng Office of the Vice President and mga satellite offices namin, no? We have in Pangasinan, in Isabela, in National Capital Region, and then we have Western, Central, and Eastern Visayas. We have BARM, we have Western Mindanao, Southern Mindanao, and Caraga. And Bicol. So, yan yung mga ginagawa nila. And then, para sa akin, dinadagdag namin yung mga invitations ng various associations. And then, yung invitations ng Filipino communities abroad, mainly to discuss what happened to President Duterte at anong nangyari doon sa kanyang extraordinary rendition and yung injustice ng ICC, injustice na ginagawa ng ICC, holding an 80-year-old man in detention knowing he has health problems. And then yung discuss din namin during our Filipino community events kung ano ba yung mga gusto makita ng mga kababayan natin, lahat ng mga OFWs na nakatira or nakatrabaho abroad dahil napakaraming best practices around the globe. And then finally, we discuss what is happening right now in our country. So yan yung mga ginagawa namin.
Ma'am, kailan ang next visit niyo? Kita kay Digong.
Wala pa akong schedule kasi medyo mahaba yung schedule ni Veronica dahil school break na niya eh. So mahaba yung kanyang time dito.
Okay. But you will be here, wala lang schedule ang visit niya?
Wala ako dito. Pag wala akong schedule sa bisita, wala din ako dito. Nandito lang ako pag may schedule ako sa bisita.
Okay.
Sa loob.
Ma'am, I have a question. One question, ma'am.
4 times a week. Apa.
Ma'am, I have a question. As an excellent, hard-working Vice President with 3 consecutive unmodified opinion from COA, what is your message to your detractors who tries to pull you down to the mud when in fact you're shining like a star?
Sinabi ko na yan. Kuyawa po na ako.
Of course.
Ramad ka na.
Para
ito, beauty contest with a beauty queen answer, no? Grabe. No, lang. As I said, diba, before, when they started, sabi ko, you just try and drag me to hell, then we'll see.
VP, mabuhay ka, mahal ka ng mga Pilipino.
Thank you. So,
Okay.
Additional, one more question.
Oo.
VP, kasi di ba since March po, nung dinala po dito si former President, and then until now, meron pong relatives from the Duterte family. Meron na po ba kayong estimate na magkano na po yung nagastos ng yung family dun sa pagbisita niyo po dito for the past 3 months po?
Naku, hindi. Hindi kami nagkakwenta ng gastos namin sa pagbigay ng suporta kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. As I'm sure hindi nagkakwenta itong mga pabalik-balik.
Exactly.
Hindi nga kami nagkwenta, 2 beses kami mag-drink. That is personal question, ma'am.
Okay. Okay na.
Legal funds. How is it that, of course, as the proceedings drag, may legal funds na i-incur with paying the defense team? So, you mentioned before na hati-hati din among the family members. Is the accessing the legal defense fund at the ICC is on the table? Or
No, wala. I don't remember anything. I don't remember saying noon na hati-hati kami sa legal funds. Ang legal funds po ay pinag-uusapan ng client at ng lawyer. So, medyo confidential po yun. Hindi po sinasabi ng lawyer kung ano yung napag-usapan nila ng kliyente niya, no? So, sa kanila yon. But sa travel namin, kanya-kanya po yung gastos. Hindi po kami kumukuha sa isang common fund or ano. Kanya-kanya pong hanap ng resources para makabisita kay dating Pangulong Duterte.
Thank you,
Okay,
VP.
thank you kasi nandyan
you na,
yung minor na anak niya nag-aantay. Can I ask the first-timers? Ma'am, do you have a few minutes for pictures?
Dito na lang.
Can we prioritize the first-timers?
Doon daw, sir.
Let's prioritize the